If you want to give your photo that classic, aged, vintage look, then in this video I'll show you exactly how to apply an old photograph effect with gmic in GIMP. This is a simple but powerful edit that can instantly make a modern image feel like it came straight out of the past. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy GIMP editing guides. Let's jump right in. First, open GIMP and load the image you want to edit. To do that, click File, then Open and choose your photo from your computer. Once your image is open inside GIMP, make sure it's ready in the workspace before moving on. Now go up to the top menu bar, click Filters, and then select gmic QT. If you do not see this option, that usually means the gmic plugin is not installed yet, so you'll need to install it first before continuing. Once the gmic window opens, you'll see a large list of effects and tools available for your image. At the top left of the gmic window, use the search box and type Old Photograph. This is the fastest way to find the effect without scrolling through all the categories. After you search it, click on the Old Photograph filter so it becomes active. Now comes the fun part. On the right-hand panel, you'll see several sliders and settings that let you customize the vintage look. These controls help you fine-tune the style so it matches the time period or mood you want. You can adjust the strength of the aging effect, the color tones, the contrast, and other details that make the image look more authentic. If you want a softer nostalgic look, keep the effect more subtle. If you want a stronger old-school appearance, increase the vintage style settings until it feels right. As you make changes, pay attention to the preview canvas on the left. This is where you can instantly see how your image is changing in real time. Take your time here and experiment a little, because small adjustments can make a big difference in how realistic the old photograph effect looks. The goal is to make the image feel naturally aged, not overly filtered. Once you are happy with the result, go to the Output Mode drop-down menu at the bottom and set it to New Layer /. This is very important because it keeps your original photo untouched and applies the effect on a separate layer. That way, if you ever want to go back and edit the effect later, you still have your original image mahfuz and unchanged. After that, click Apply and then click OK to confirm the changes. GIMP will process the effect and place the edited version onto your image. At this point, you should see your photo transformed with that classic old photograph style. And that's it. You've now learned how to apply an old photograph effect with gmic in GIMP. It's a great technique for creating vintage portraits, nostalgic social media graphics, scrapbook-style edits, or artistic photo transformations. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next GIMP editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.